Hello, hi, welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly, we keep it natural. Today's topic is food talk, breakfast and snacks.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve, and I love snacks.
I had a feeling.
Snacks are my hobby.
Okay, today we will talk like real friends. Simple English, short sentences, funny and natural.
And now I'm hungry.
Perfect, let's start. Steve, do you eat breakfast?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes. Some mornings I'm hungry. Some mornings I'm not.
That makes sense. What do you eat when you have breakfast?
I keep it simple. Eggs, toast, coffee.
Classic breakfast.
Yes, coffee is not a drink. Coffee is a life decision.
I like coffee too, and I like fruit in the morning.
Fruit is healthy.
Yes, like bananas, apples, or grapes.
Bananas are easy. No effort.
Exactly. Do you eat cereal?
Sometimes, but cereal is dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yes, I say 1 bowl. Then I eat 3 bowls.
That is very real. Quick question. Sweet breakfast or salty breakfast?
Salty.
Same.
Sweet breakfast makes me sleepy.
Interesting.
But I like a little sweet sometimes, like jam on toast.
Nice. I like yogurt with honey.
That sounds fancy.
It's simple, not fancy.
Everything sounds fancy when you say it.
Okay, snacks. What snacks do you like?
I like chips.
Chips are popular.
Yes, crunchy, salty, perfect.
What else?
Cookies.
Sweet.
Very sweet.
Balanced diet.
Yes, chips and cookies. Balance.
I like simple snacks too. Nuts, fruit, yogurt.
You are the healthy snack person.
Not always. Sometimes I want chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good idea.
Sometimes, not every day.
My heart says every day.
Steve, do you snack when you are not hungry?
Yes,
Why?
because snacks are not about hunger.
What are they about?
Feelings.
Feelings.
Yes, bored, snack. Stress, snack. Happy, snack.
That is too real.
One time I said, I'm not hungry.
Okay.
Then I opened the kitchen cabinet
Uh-oh.
and I saw cookies.
And?
I became hungry immediately.
The cookies called you.
Yes, they said, Steve, come here.
And you listened.
Of course you did.
Let's use some snack words. Very natural.
Okay.
Crunchy.
Crunchy, like chips.
Sweet.
Sweet, like cookies.
Salty.
Salty, like popcorn.
Spicy.
Spicy, like spicy chips.
Healthy.
Healthy, like carrots.
Yes, carrots are a snack, but they feel like homework.
Steve, I'm sorry. Carrots are great. I respect carrots.
Let me tell a quick story. A real morning.
Okay,
Some mornings I am busy. I don't have time.
that is common.
So I eat a fast breakfast, a banana, yogurt, and coffee.
Coffee again.
Always. And sometimes I bring a snack for later.
Smart.
Like nuts or a small sandwich.
A small sandwich is a big snack.
True. Let's do a short, natural food talk.
Okay.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Eggs, toast, and coffee.
Sweet or salty breakfast?
Salty.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips and cookies. And you?
Fruit, yogurt, and sometimes chocolate.
Chocolate is the best snack word.
Natural recap short. Quick recap. Today we talked about breakfast and snacks. Eggs, toast, cereal, fruit, yogurt. Snacks, chips, cookies, nuts, popcorn, chocolate.
And we learned something important.
What?
Snacks are not about hunger. Snacks are about feelings.
Maybe. Thanks for listening to Read to Talk.
If this was easy to understand, like this video. And subscribe for more simple English listening.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.